Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my son's pure EV Etron Plus, which we bought just after lockdown for his school usage and all. But uske baad now his college started, so we moved him to the Hero Atria. But this was lying idle, and I bought it here for some use. We were going to we were planning to have some cycle race and all. So Mukul also has a similar, e-tron. Mukul from Autolock, so he has the same e-tron, and उनकी साइकिल बहुत सही चल रही है. बट हमारी साइकिल का जो डिस्प्ले है, जहाँ पे स्पीडोमीटर दिखता है, जहाँ से ऑन ऑफ वगैरह होता है इसमें, वो screwed up. So I've ordered a new one, which was for 1200 rupees and some 60 rupees shipping, which has come, which we're going to install now. I'll show you the process. It is nothing much, nothing great, but I wanted to add a content, so we're making a vlog out of it. So to tell you brief about this cycle, we bought it for 40 odd thousand. It has got a range of 75 with pedal assist. Like if you're pedaling and if you take assist at the lowest level, it has got a range of 75. Otherwise max, if you turn it on completely on battery power, it will go max for 25 to 30 kilometers range, just by throttling, that is no pedaling. And now coming to the main point, our display is gone bad, so I've ordered a new one from Pure EV, which is in Hyderabad, and it has come now. So last time I checked, I removed all stuff from this and put it on this bike and checked, and everything worked fine. So this display is working fine and my display is gone. So new one has come. Let's start the installation. So this is the brand new display, and I can see that the connectors are also same. I remember these connectors, but we'll anyways first check on the cycle if they are matching, and then fix it up and do the wiring. So we've connected the wires and we checked the display. It is on and it is a fresh display, so everything is going to start with 0. This is where the battery stores and this is where the speedometer is. So let me remove all the wiring and then continue. So we'll have to remove the cable wire from this windings, and I'm going to replace that winding with this one because this is easier to work on. The old one is now completely out. वायरिंग निकालिए. वायरिंग एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड. इज़ जस्ट इसका यहाँ पे जो ऑन ऑफ बटन है ना, वो सबका ख़राब हो जाता है. इवन मुकुल का बाइक का डिस्प्ले का इज़ गॉन बैड. सी दिस मेन बटन प्रेस करके ये ऑन ऑफ करके ये ख़राब हो जाता है. बट गुड दैट दिस इज़ जस्ट 1200 रुपीज़. इट्स चीप. द न्यू ईट्रॉन उसका 2200 का है. तो ये भी उधर लगा दिया है, कनेक्ट कर दिया है. हार्नेस में से वो पुराना जो वायर कवर है या फिर वायर स्ट्रिप जो भी बोलते वो, we've discarded that, and now we will start putting in this wire cover because this is much more easier to put in and remove every time, and it looks almost the similar. It will protect better also than that one. So this it has wire sleeve bolte isko. It has got a gap in between, and you go on putting your wire in between these, something like this in between. So yesterday we fixed the new display at Autolog and we had lot of issues. The sensor somehow had gone crazy. It has actually a cutoff at 25 or 27 kHph, so that the speed does not go beyond that for the cycle. But somehow as soon as we throttle even slightly, the wheel was spinning completely, and the throttle was getting cut off. So we thought we've installed something wrong. So we removed all the wirings, all the sockets, and re-put them one by one. Of course we didn't remove them completely, like removed one and install back, removed one and install back, as if something is loose or something is corroded or something. Then we removed the battery and put it back. Then we cleaned the throttle, opened the throttle and cleaned it, as if the sensor has gone bad on it. I even cleaned the pedal assist sensor which is here, but that also did not solve the problem. Then we got in touch with Pure EV. Today is Monday. They responded back with a PDF and there was some setting over here, like you press S plus and S minus together, so you enter settings, and there's setting they send a PDF to check all these settings. So in that there is one sensor for one setting for speed sensing, so that instead of 1 was 30. So the the tire, the rim, or the motor that was sending out the sensing the value from here, it was sending this, it was reading it as 30, then it was sending it as 30 to the controller instead of 1. So that was the issue. We changed it, and now the cycle is running perfectly fine. No issues. My son just tested it with pedal assist, and try once directly with throttle without pedaling. Ride it. So that is not a cloth. We've covered the wiring so that doesn't come in between while riding. So this is just, you see, he's not pedaling. He's just giving the throttle. And in just throttling, it can go up to range of 25 to 30 is what I remember. We bought this 3 years ago. I don't remember the exact, but it's so this is how we can go around. And now it is running perfectly fine. I simply love this cycle. If you don't like, if you don't want to spend 40,000 on this, there are other things available in the market. I'll give you a lot of links in the video description. You can look at those and purchase this bike accordingly. So guys, that's it. I'll end the video here. Cycle is now being charged. This is our small charger. It turns green once the battery is fully charged, or you can even check the battery charge from here by pressing this. वैसे बैटरी कुछ यूज़ हुआ नहीं है. It is showing full right now, but एक बार full charge कर रहे हैं because my son is going to ride it today to his class, and usually we don't keep it at home. साइकिल नीचे पार्किंग में रहती है. इसको कुछ लॉक नहीं है, वो चेन से पूरे डबल टेबल चेन से बंधी हुई रहती है. बट राइट नाउ फॉर कन्वीनियंस ये सब पार्ट्स हमने जो खोले थे वो ऑल अपस्टेयर्स ऊपर ही पड़े थे सब, तो ऊपर लेके आए, सब फिटिंग करके सब चेक करके अभी चार्जिंग पे लगा दिया. ही विल गो नाउ एंड राइड इट टू हिज क्लास. So it's a very good cycle, if you want to give it to your children also for college and school use, or even if you want to cycle but आपको पता नहीं आपका स्टैमिना कितना रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. So coming time you can always use this power assist and this battery and all this stuff and come back easily. अच्छा सा आपको रेंज मिल जाता है. इसका लिंक मैं वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में रख दूँगा. You can directly go there and purchase from there. And what else? If you have any other questions, do let me know. Like, share, subscribe as usual. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon.